and change the oil. Where's he? The Craig will make it pretty, I think. Hey Craig.
What am I doing?
It's about the go-karts.
Where the motor fits on the front. They've got it tied on with a bloody bungee.
Oh, right, the blower.
Yeah, it just needs a couple of little.
Oh, yeah, we'll just treat it like it's a spare wheel, and just put a wing nut on it and just.
Just something.
Yeah, sweet as.
Just something. He's just made it a lot easier. That's it.
Yeah, and a lot more. Yeah, you get to where you're going, it'll still be there.
Yeah.
Rather than, oh, I forgot to tie that on. Oh, yeah.
Brett was putting the tie down on it.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah. Brett is to be trusted with tie downs at all times.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Nilo,
Hello.
have you got a coal chisel?
Yes.
Can I grab it and swing it something?
The bloke guy who wants to bring around to you, bearing in a housing, it's just metal, press metal housing, and it just wants it tacked either side, it's got the bearing moving.
Is that what people do nowadays? Is it because back in the day, when I got taught, they were supposed to press in and be nice and tight and not move around. So he wants to tack the hardened metal to the muck metal to stop it moving. And how long is this? Yeah, how long is this? It won't last very long. But what it'll do is even if it cracks, it'll still be some stuff in there to stop it spinning. You know.
It's in a suspension joint at the top, the bearing on top of the suspension joint.
Oh, don't do that.
That's what they do with them, apparently.
Who's they?
Well,
Yeah, exactly.
undercar specialists told me that's what they do. Because you can't buy those tops anymore. They go on there.
That just seems odd that they.
Close themselves well, they loose and tight it. But if I put it in the line, take the pin off so you get the put your bearing in. And
There's one weld around the inside of it.
push
Maybe that's what he means. You've run a weld around the inside of the How big is it? The suspension joint. This is just a bolt-on thing.
top suspension joint in it.
Yeah. So it's just got 2 bolts or 3 bolts, and it's a round thing with like loads on it. Yeah. Well, you could, if you get that to me, I'll run a weld around the inside and then bore it back out to the original bearing spec, and we'll just press the bearing in. I think that's what they're on about.
Yeah.
To weld a bearing to the.
You'll stuff the bearing, won't you? Yeah, stuff the race.
Yeah, and it's not going to last long, and because they're dissimilar metals, one's hardened and one's soft.
It won't work.
Nah, but if I put a weld around the inside of the housing itself and then bore it back out again, it'll be mint.
Okay, yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So I need the bearing in the housing, the new bearing in the. So it spun the housing and they're just scratching their heads basically.
Well, see, it's pinged over. Originally, factory, it's pinged over.
Oh, they just scratch.
So I'm going to put the lathe on it, the lathe and take the pin off so you get the bearing out.
Yes.
And then bring it here and you can sort it.
Yeah. All right. So the.
And it can't go anywhere because
So how are we going to peen it if there's nothing to peen? The bearing's retained with peening over, isn't it?
factory from factory.
Or how are we going to stop it from coming out without peening?
So you're going to weld it.
I can weld some lugs on top of it, just put some spots of weld above it, just to hold it in there, yeah. So the
It's only it only comes out, it only ever comes out of the suspension goes right now.
oh, okay, so it's never going to come
Never
out.
come out.
So that
It's basically there to hold the bearing,
While you
the
put it
outer
together.
bearing so it doesn't bloody move.
sweet. We probably won't have the bearing race will be fine. So when they will be welding to it, they'll just weld to the to the housing, so there's a blob of weld above it to hold it like it used to. Then just give it a tap down the blobs of weld and it'll be peened again. I think that's what they're on about. We can do that because the bearing, we can't weld to the bearing because it's just hard metal or exploded bits. Yeah, so get the bearing, spin it in your lathe, knock the bearing out, knock the new one in and bring it to me, and I'll just put some. We could probably even do it here with this. Yeah, no worries. Sweet as.
Thank you, sir.